Today, you will master finding your bias. Bearish or bullish bias, it does not matter. You will use the best trading view indicator with the best momentum scalping strategy. We will do a full top-down analysis as usual. If you are good to go, let's start. Let's learn how to take some sniper trades on a chilly Sunday. We will discuss everything from A to Z. The moment I opened the trading view today, I just checked my market list. Totals were in really bad shape and negative. Major coins like Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum were also very weak today. And the USDT dominance was on the stronger side. This was an overall weak day. Taking short trades was a better idea than long trades. And I found this coin called SYNUSDT. How did I find it? Simple, I just sorted my futures coin list and it was the number 3 top losing coin in the day. But why did I select this coin rather than the number 1 or 2? As you can see, we are now in the 45-minute chart. Notice these imbalance points. Sellers were strong on this coin. Now we drop to the 30-minute time frame. Still you can see the 30-minute imbalances, multi-imbalance top points. If you go down to the 15-minute time frame, you will also notice that we have another set of imbalances here. So, it was a really weak day and this coin was also really weak. Sellers were controlling this coin. Now let's drop to the low time frames like 2 minutes in this case. Notice what happened inside the first set of multi-imbalance points from 15, 30 and 45 minutes. And notice here the inner structure break. It is followed by a 2-minute inner imbalance. Right here it was your first possible trade idea. But unfortunately, all these actions had already happened. It was history. However, I expected a similar action to happen again, at least one more time. After all, charts are full of repetitive patterns. Price broke and created this inner support and resistance flip zone right around our high time frame imbalances again, 15 minutes, 13 minutes, and 45 minutes. Later on, notice what happens. Exact same price action. Inner structure break followed by a 2-minute inner imbalance. This was your second chance of entry. It was 100% the same trade with the first trade. It was a repetitive pattern, as you can see. A sniper location. If you are confused, let me recap all the price action in simple terms. First, today was a weekday with negative totals, negative major coins, and a powerful USDT dominance. And the SYN coin was one of the top loser coins of the day. So, I thought that taking a short trade was a better idea today. The rest is simple masterclass price action. Here is your chart in action. Price sharply drops and creates these multi-time frame imbalance zones, and price pull back into this zone. And inner structure breaks with an imbalance. Our inner target is this recent old low. As you can see, a very simple trade idea, but we missed it because it already happened. Later on, price breaks and creates this nice support and resistance flip zone, an overall zone. An exact same price action happens. Multi-level high time frame imbalance zone, price pull back to this zone, and then an inner structure break with an inner imbalance. And here is your chance of sniper entry. This type of movements keep happening every single day actually. Okay friends, this is it for the Sunday. Have a nice and chilling day. See you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.